Hello and welcome to another limitedresources.us product demonstration video, or in this case, creative problem solving hack. Our coin boxes are not waterproof, so if you need to do an outside installation, here's a very clever way to provide some protection for your coin box. This is simply a plastic storage unit that you can buy at any hardware store. Its dimensions are 17 inches wide by 16 inches deep and 23 inches high. More than enough space to store our coin box. The installation, of course, is a very simple process, and for all of you handymen, all you have to do is put in some guide holes, put in your screws, depending on the surface that you're going to be mounting on. And then from there, all we have to do is put in some holes on the bottom to feed our wires through. Now on this device, our wire comes out on the back right. So when you're designing or putting in your hole, you want to make sure that it's closer to the back on the right side, and then we'll have no problems. So as you can see, we've already installed our coin box, and you can see it's very well protected. And for one other additional element of protection, if we take our case and we simply put it up here, we can attach a hinge so that we've got motion this way. Or if you think you can do without that, well then simply put the lid on anytime the machine isn't going to be in service. So this creative solution, along with other fine quality products, can be found by following the links below. Thank you very much and have a great day. Hello, and this is our coin box cover, and now I'm simply going to remove it, and we can see our coin box inside.